All right, guys, we are back. Obviously, let me make this a little bigger. Today, took that gold long, but I was up around $100 in these candles right here. But again, I was waiting to see if we can keep pushing up to hold it as long as we can. So I did close it for like break even. I think I ended up $5 or whatever. Watch last episode to see what it was. But we're here again. I like it to keep going. Obviously, this will be our stop loss. So I'm gonna get in here again, do a market buy.
Order filled.
There we go, guys. Some account. Just keeping it going. You know, this is one of the things that a lot of people misunderstand. This is where I want to profit around somewhere around there. But see how this is where this is where we're going right here, right? So put this here. Technically, we should either put our. This is where you put two stop losses. Either see where this line touches, so it would be right below that one over here, you know. So if it comes back and it makes a new low, then you know this trend is broken. Or you put it right here, right underneath this trend line right here. It breaks and starts going. Now, a lot of people don't know this, and I'll explain it to you real fast here because a lot of people, when you're building an account, like I'm building this small account as a challenge for everybody to see, stop losses are necessary. You need to have them. Now, my other accounts that I have, my bigger accounts, I don't even have stop loss because I want a full candle to close below it, and then I close up. But that's when you have a lot more capital and a cushion to do it. That's when my bigger accounts I do it. And this small account challenge that I've been doing, this is very hard because if you leave it, if you're wrong, you're just gonna keep going down, and you know we might drain the account, and then we completely lose the funded. So that's why I put this stop loss. Now, as you can see, if you've seen, we're almost 90 episodes in or whatever. It's tough. It's not easy. Sometimes you tilt. You know, we've been up. Right now, we're trying to get back up, but it's not easy. Trading is easy to trade, but it's hard to actually do it. It's hard to actually keep in it. So yeah, like today, I actually had a position today on my other accounts in oil. I got on somewhere around here, somewhere around here. Came back. This is see what I'm looking at. Same thing. 3 touches, we broke. Look, do you see how the stop loss here, if I got in here, it would have been underneath here, would have been right there, or it would have been under this line. See? But it still came back and we tested, and then it kept going up. Now that we finally made here new highs, this is where I made my new line. And look, it respected it once, twice, 3 times it respected it, and then it just kept going up. And I think it exited somewhere around here. Took profit today. But again, this could just keep going like this and rebounding, and that's what you want to do. You want to keep as much as you can. That's one of the things that I get a lot of questions when I put these videos up. Not on YouTube. I do put them up on my Instagram. So just showing you. That's how it is. Let me delete some of these lines because we're in the 4 hours. Okay, there we go, 4 hours. So same thing. This is what I'm looking at right now. This is the NASDAQ. Oh, come on. Okay. Come on. All right, there. Nope. So, yeah, you see, this is one touch, guys. Just because it touches the line twice right next to each other, that's not 2 touches. That's 1 touch. So 1 touch, 2 touches. We'll see if we can keep going up. This, I would consider this a touch, 100% right there. So you have 1 touch coming all the way here. Let's see where it's coming from. So it's coming from all the way here. You have 1, and the reason why I keep this line that they broke, I wanted to see we're still trending low until this line breaks right here, which is this one. Or see, like, just to explain to you in a better way so you can completely understand it. So this was the trend line, and then once we broke this right here, it's just a trend line completely. This is all lower. So if this now becomes a new trend line to break. If this breaks, we keep shorting because look, it's still respecting these right here. Once it breaks these 2, you know, we want to test this one, which is the next one. But until this, we're just gonna keep this one. This one we really don't need it. It was just more for a mental to see where it broke and where it was going. But that's it. So yeah, just wanted to show you. We're gonna keep in the gold right here. We have our stop loss 138. I really want to hit that. Actually, it's kind of, I really want to. I could push it to here. This is kind of more realistic is here, the 3402. I really want to hit these highs actually right here, as you can see there. Let's put it here, just because we get a nice little jump and we can do it. We can always bring it down more, no problem. You know, I'm not aiming for that, but anywhere around this area, I'll take the profit. This is more realistic where it's probably gonna hit. See, as you can see here, it touches here. Here it's holding up. See, it's kind of like this area right there. So we'll see what we can do. But like it here, guys. Gold again, and keep it going. See what we can do. I think it made a new low and they made a higher low. So hopefully we're trending up. This is our stop loss right now. Let's put it right there. Just wanted to clear up, but keep this video, keep it overnight, and then we'll go from there, guys. All right, we'll see you again. Good morning, guys. It is 7:52 a.m. So fortunately, gold did not work out. As you can see here, we took the 128 loss. We got in around here, came back, it broke this, and we got stopped out somewhere around here. Which, you know, it's part of the game. You know, it is what it is. Not much you can do there. We tried taking it, but just did not work. So oh, excuse me. Yeah, not much I'm looking at, guys. I think that might be it for the day. Oil's keeping this, which I took this position. I told you my other account. So hopefully this keeps going, but it looks cool. It looks good. But I'm already out of this trade. But you can see here, I mean, once it broke, and then it's just that's what you want, you know. But again, nothing really I'm looking at. Nothing really that's catching my eye. Maybe Nasdaq, but even Nasdaq, not really. I mean, yes, this is you have one touch, 2, 3, but the risk from here to here is kind of high. So not really something I really want to take, especially after we took a 128 loss today. So platinum looked good, but problem with platinum, as you guys know, is that if you're wrong, it's a mini. It hurts a lot. So that's the problem with platinum. I really don't want to play platinum in this account anymore. Not since I have a good cushion. So silver, it broke here, but it's not worth it anymore. That's should have been this, but yeah, not really looking at anything, guys, right now. I think I'm just that might just take that for the day, and we'll call it a day, just because there's not really a setup for our strategy anymore. Yeah, it's just look at MES. Yeah, it broke here, but again, from here to here would be your stop loss. That's a lot of risk. This whole risk. You want it to, if you really want this to go somewhere like this, and then here, because then here to there, it's a lot less risk. But here, even though it is a strategy, you can still be wrong. So that's why, it's just not worth it. That might be it for today, guys. It's a red week for this week. It is what it is, but we'll catch you next time. Bye now.